Welcome to Siohu Quick Tips.
Did you choose to pay your class fees using SkillsFuture? Let us learn together with a step-by-step guide to submit your SkillsFuture claims.
When you reply SkillsFuture claim, Siohu will send you an invoice for the claim. Click on Invoice. Take screenshot of the invoice. Click on Done. Save to Photos. Exit WhatsApp. Go to Google or Safari. Search myskillsfuture.gov.sg. Close the pop-up. Scroll down and click on Submit SkillsFuture Credit Claims. Click on SyncPass. Tap on the QR code. When you see a pop-up, tap on Yes. Scroll down. Click on Search by Training Provider. Search Siohu. Look for the course you signed up for. Tap on Load More to see more courses. Select your course. Wait for the loading to complete. Click on the calendar and select your course date. Scroll down. Enter course and claim fee. Double check that both fields are correct. Next, tap on the blue field to upload invoice. Tap on Photo Library. Tap on the invoice screenshot. Tap Add. If your upload is done, you'll see the file here. Tap on Review. Check that all info are correct. Tap here. Tap on Submit. Tap on Agree and Submit. Tap on View Claim Status. Tap here to remove survey. Ensure that info circled are in screenshot. Take screenshot of your claim. Return to WhatsApp. Attach claim screenshot. You have now completed your SkillsFuture claim. Thank you for watching. Click on our playlist to watch more videos. Follow us on facebook.com/Siohu and subscribe to our channel for more videos.